Hi everybody, Jo here again from the creative team. How you doing? I hope you're having a good day and that you're feeling well. If not, big hug coming your way from me. Now today I wanted to share some designs with you using one of our stamp sets called Flower Pots. Have you got it? It's an older stamp set and I love finding older stamp sets and using them. We've got 3 vessels, sort of pots, jugs, and then 3 plants, foliage stamps to go inside them. One very heather, lavender type like, but again, you can choose any colours. These, your imagination. For those of you that have messaged and said, Mr. Mojo, your motivation's gone, this stamp set's fabulous. For those of you that make charity cards, that want those classy designs, again, fabulous. So many possibilities. So I've made a couple here. One which I thought would make, I know they're difficult cards to make, but it would make a lovely condolence card. Now I'm using the B7, so it's a smaller pieces of card, because again, a few of you have asked for smaller designs. Got another one here, where I've got a panel at the bottom, and again, the florals. And this one, birthday wishes. Now I'm thinking one of our mini flutters, little butterfly on there as well, would go well. I bet I've got some in my tin. And then this one here, lovely, clean and simple, just for you. So I'm sort of going to make a combination of all 3, I think. And I'm just going to put something together. And that's the beautiful thing about this, that you can decide, you could spend a whole afternoon just making lots of different toppers, maybe for notelets, for cards. They'd look lovely in your journal. Now, the key here for me is, this is from the acetate circle mask pack, and it's sort of the outie. So I'm going to do one, I think, like this, just adding colour in the centre. But if you want to do the panel, all I did was add some more ink there. Again, it's not difficult. Now, I'm a bit of a thrifty sort of girl, as you know. So I'm not going to add any more ink. I'm just going to see what's left on my brush, because you'd be amazed. Look at that. And I couldn't even tell you which colour blue. I'm guessing maybe mermaid, but this is just my brush with blue on. So you could have a look at all your brushes, maybe make one with blue, one with green, one with purple, one with pink, and just clean each of your brushes. I mean, it's a win-win. If you want to add the circle, a little tip, get your micron pen and just go round. When it's in place, look, job done. And you can leave it like that, or you can add a wiggle. You know I like to add my little wiggle. Now, I think I might go for the jug. As I say, so many combinations. And I'll stamp it in the black, the Nocturne. And I'm just going to come in and pop it there. And we'll go for Rainforest. Now, because it's got a stem here, I've just got a torn piece of copier paper. And we'll go first generation, a second and a third. Now, just be mindful where, obviously, you don't want to stamp over here when the edge of the jug is there. So a couple more, and that's nice because they look like the stems are coming out of the jug. So what I'm thinking is, because we've gone for blue Posca, and I'm just going to add some little dots. So these could be flowers, they could be berries. Now you could add some sparkle, some stickles. I mean, again, I know you clever lot. Now, little bit of Posca. And I'm just going to have my highlight down the front. So, I know, with the blue, let's just make the little bands in blue as well. And then it all matches. Sentiment from the Heartfelt Verses. Beautiful sentiments, these. I know I use them a lot, but I do love them. And just for you, I think, covers a lot of eventualities. Could be just for you on your birthday, just for you when you need a hug. You know, lots of things just for you. Now, needs a little bit of grounding. So you could either come in with a pastel pencil, or if you don't have pastel pencils, just come in with a number 3 brush, the smaller one, and just add a little bit of shadowing like this. But I'm going to use my pastel pencil. But as I say, if you don't have one, your number 3 brush and maybe colour like dark denim. And I'm just going to smudge that so it just grounds it, makes it look like a little bit of a shadow. And then lastly on this one, I'm going to add some little, now you could add water splatters, you know me. I'm going to come in with my yellow sparkly Posca. But again, mask back on. Now this would look nice if you wanted the mini flutter. Now I'm just going to check in my tin. Let's have a look. Would I have one cut out? No, but maybe, do you know what? See, if you did cut one out and you could pop a little butterfly there or down here. Now again, like I say, so many possibilities. But look at that. A very classy, beautiful card. And as I say, I'm thinking you could batch card make these and have a beautiful selection. So have you got this stamp set? So this is the flower pots. If you have, I'd love you to share your designs. Let's have a bit of a flower pot day. Great for Mothering Sunday if you needed. Or I'm just saying, could you put the little holly in? Could you make a Christmas version? Now, there's some homework for you. So thanks as always for popping in. You all look after yourselves. And remember our socials, Lavinia for you and Reach Out with Lavinia. Please use the flower pots and share your designs. I can't wait to see. I'll pop back again soon. Love and hugs from me. Bye for now.